Hey guys, welcome back to new video, and in this video we are going to talk about context receivers. Context receiver was introduced in Kotlin version 1.6.20. Right now we are working with Kotlin version 1.9.21, but still it is not coming by default. So if you want to use the power of context receiver, go to your build.gradle and add this task, sync your project. Now you are able to use context receiver. So I'm gonna tell you what is context, and then only you are able to understand what is context receiver. So to do that, I'm gonna create a class naming logger, and within this we have log function and one more function. I'm gonna let us call this fake. Okay, so we have logger class, and within this we have two functions, log and fake. Now if I want to call this fake function within our log, we can do it very easily, because right now we are present within the context, or you can say scope of logger. So that's why it is possible. Now if I want to access this log function outside from the class, then you need to create an object of logger. So if you want to do this, you can do it like this way: apply and fake. This function fake and log is available only within the context or scope of the logger. So that's why we need to create an object, and then only we can call these two functions. Now what context receiver will do, let us suppose I'm going to have a function, or you can say extension function toast. Okay, so I have this extension function over context toast. Now if I want to restrict the scope of context within the logger scope, then we require context receiver. Now right now if you want to access toast, you can access it anywhere within your project. But if I want to restrict this thing within the logger scope, then we require context receivers. So here, in order to restrict this, you need to use context and pass your class. That's it. Now if you want to access this toast, you can do it only within the logger scope. So let me show you. Main activity, this will give me the context, and I'm able to call this toast basically. Now if I want to do this outside from the scope of logger, let us see what it will do. Okay, so yeah, you are able to call it, but here you are receiving an error. This is because this scope is not logger scope, this scope is main activity scope. So due to this reason, you are not able to call this toast. So we saw how context receiver works with extension function. This context receiver is also available to restrict your normal function within a particular scope. So what does it mean? So let us suppose I have a function naming a, and I want to restrict this thing within a logger scope. So yeah, you can do it like this, and this thing is also restrict to the logger scope. Now if you want to access within the scope of main activity, you will notice this is not available. If you call this thing within our logger scope, or you can say logger context, yeah, you are able to access it. So yeah, this is a context receiver, and I think this is a very powerful feature if you want to restrict your extension function or any other function. So I hope you like this video. This is a very short video and very informative video. So if you want to know more about Android development, you can check out my website. Link is present in the description, and also you can subscribe my channel and also like this video, so that I will able to upload more videos. Okay.